Right, on the first finger exercise, we are going to name the notes on the fretboard. So we are going to be comfortable with the names on the fretboard, anywhere on the fretboard, right? So first we'll go in order and then we'll try to see if we can randomly get the notes. So here we go. We have the open strings here, E, B, G, D, and A and E. So the exercise goes like this. E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp. Okay, I'm going to go a little slow. Sorry. E is the open string. First finger on F, second finger on F sharp. Then we have a G, little finger on G sharp. First finger on A again, A sharp, B, C. We have a C sharp, D, D sharp, and E. Right, on the 12th fret we have E. Similarly, we go on the 5th string. So A is the 5th string, A sharp on the first finger, that is the 1st fret. Then we have a B, C, C sharp, D, first finger on D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and A on the 12th fret. Similarly, the 4th string is D, so we go on with D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, D. Oh, I don't know. I should have done it comfortably and smoothly. I'll do it again. So D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D. There we go. Next we have a G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G. Next is a B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. Once more, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. Then we have a E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. Right? So this the 12 notes, they just keep starting on a different note based on which string you are playing on. So basically, we just have 12 notes across the octave. The set of 12 notes is going to be called an octave, and then we have the 12 notes anywhere on the fretboard. So if you are going to be comfortable at it, you just have to go ahead and do it a few times. Maybe you can just do it for one string to get comfortable. So that's E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. That's it. So just do it a few times. You might have noticed a few things. Okay, so on the right hand, okay, the striking hand, I have alternate picking pattern. So that helps me go faster. In the beginning, you might not get alternate picking. Down picking is okay, but alternate picking is going to make you smoother and faster. That's okay if you have down picking right now on the first day. So it goes like E, F, down, 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 down. Okay. Yeah, that's a down pick. Down pick. See, my picking hand is going down. So this is an up stroke. This is a down stroke. So down stroke goes down, up stroke goes up. I like to have alternate picking. It makes us smoother, faster, comfortable, and synchronized with the time. Okay, eventually you will get there, but for now, down picking is okay. So it goes like this. Let's try to do something in this thing called one breath challenge. Okay, so eventually you got to get there, and also you should be able to randomly locate any note. For instance, if I have E on the first string, E on the second string, so E on the third string, okay, E on the fourth string, E on the fifth string, E on the sixth string, E on the sixth string again, E on the first string, E on the first string again. So you should be able to locate any note. So if I say C sharp, for instance, C sharp on the second string, C sharp on the first string, C sharp on the third string, and so on. You should be able to locate notes anywhere on the fretboard like this. So fifth string is over here, and then we have a fourth string over here, C sharp, and the C sharp on the sixth string is over here. So you should be able to randomly locate them. That comes with a little bit of practice. Only thing is, what you need to practice is this particular exercise. So the first finger exercise, and if you want to do it comfortably and really get powerful at it, then there's one challenge, one breath challenge. Let's watch this one. I take a breath and then I start off. E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E, A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, D, D sharp F, F sharp G, G sharp A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, G, G sharp A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E, F, F sharp G, B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, A sharp B, E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E. Right? So that's a one breath challenge. So you can maybe do it one more time, maybe a little smoother. Let's see how it goes. I just take a breath and then we start off. E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E, A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, D, D sharp E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, G, G sharp A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E, F, F sharp G, B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, A sharp B, G, F, F sharp G, G sharp A, A sharp B, C, C sharp D, D sharp E. So that's a one breath challenge. So if you want to get comfortable with the first finger exercise, keep going till you can get this really in any order. So if you ask yourself any note on any string, you should be able to figure it out in quick time. Go for it. First finger exercise, or also naming the notes on the fretboard. Right? Thank you.